Welcome to my unboxing and installation of the Phanteks Halo's Lux RGB fan frames. So today we're going to be installing both of the 120mm versions. Now in my opinion these are a great option if you are looking to add some ambient lighting to your rig while also keeping the performance of your existing fans. So let's get into actually opening the damn things. So these are made up of a single piece of anodized aluminium, so they're very sturdy. What's that? Oh, that's the thing. So here we have RGB adapter cable thingy, so there's that. As you can see there's a little diffuser thing with the LEDs inside. 18 LEDs I believe, yep, 18 LEDs for the 120 and 21 LEDs for the 140 versions. Oh, another note, you do actually get a nice braided cable, which is really nice. So you're not going to have like red, green and black cables going through all your rig, so you know, which can be quite annoying. You get two sets of screws, the longer screws, which are impossible to get out, there we go, which are these ones, hang on, these ones, they are supposed to go through the fans and onto a radiator, so if you have water cooling then you're supposed to use these ones. You also get shorter screws, which are, which are these ones, and these ones are the ones you're actually supposed to use. But what I did with the 140mm versions is I used these screws and I screwed them through the fan frames, through the fans I already have, and then into the case itself. So I went through the fans without actually taking away material, which I believe using these screws will take material away from the actual fan you have, like the plastic on it or whatever, or the rubber you have or whatever the hell fan you have. It will take material off that, which I didn't really want. Let's jump cut and get these installed. There we go, not too bad. Does add a fair bit of weight to the fan though, I will admit, but as a thing, not too bad at all. I'm going to get these installed, put my computer back together, get it all up and running, sync the lighting up, and then I'll be recording a bit of extra footage tomorrow, which I'll edit into this video, you know, tomorrow. After I've recorded it, so I will see you then. And there we go, all installed and up and running. All of the fan frames are currently synced to the case lighting, mainly because I don't have an Asus or a motherboard, but I'm hoping to upgrade my motherboard, CPU and RAM in the next couple of months, so whenever I do that, everything will be, you know, the graphics card, which is currently on white, I think, it's just static white I believe, and then the fan frames and the LED strip are just on color cycle or whatever it is. You know, it's going through all the colors, but once I upgrade all my stuff, everything should be able to be, you know, nice and synced up and color matched. I am very happy about how they turned out. I didn't have a huge amount of time to do proper cable management, which you can sort of see there. Is that an actual cable or a reflection? No, if it's a reflection, never mind, whatever. But yeah, you can sort of see fan cable going up there and doing whatever it's doing. I didn't have a huge amount of time. There's also the CPU fan, which is a bit messy inside there. Oh, well, thank you camera for focusing on the dust on the panel. Thank you for that. Definitely what I wanted to focus on is the minuscule things. Go on, bugger off you tall spot. Go on, focus in on the cable. There we go. Yeah, cable's not perfect, but you know, it's not a super massive issue at the moment, because like I said, I'm hoping to upgrade my stuff soon, so when I do that, you know, that's when I'll do proper super duper cable management and get it all nice and tidy. We've got 3 minutes left on the camera apparently, on the battery, although it said 45 minutes about 2 minutes ago. That makes sense. I'll take the front panel off and you can see the 140mm versions there doing their job. There are links in the description below if you want to buy these fan frames for yourself. And I think that'll do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Dan from Focus Tech. I hope you enjoyed the video. If not, please let me know why. Please subscribe for future videos, follow me on Twitter for all updates and just general stuff. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.